I want to talk about vaginal estrogen. I know that I spoke about this previously, but honestly, I have now been using this stuff, which is available via prescription. If you're in the UK, it's, you just go to your GP and you ask for it, vaginal estrogen. I've been using it for about 2 months now, and I have to say, it is incredible. It is incredible. It has completely transformed my sex life, which wasn't bad before, but now everything just feels really good, and I don't get the burning, the tearing, and all the horrible stuff that was going on previously. It has completely eradicated all of that and made downstairs nice and plump and juicy, which is lovely. So if, as an older woman, you are struggling with pain during sex, vaginal atrophy, any just feelings of discomfort, then go to your GP and ask for vaginal estrogen. It's not like being on HRT, which I'm not allowed to have. You can it's just for use down there, and that's where it stays. It is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful stuff. I cannot recommend it more highly.